Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So today is Bleed the Brakes Day on the 48. This one should be leaving real soon. Got to give it a bath because as you guys can see, it's filthy dirty. So I need to get it cleaned up and ready for the new owner. But today we are bleeding brakes. So I'm going to get my leg exercises in. You ready?
Just a sec. All right, go ahead and pump it. Step down. Pump it again. Step down.
Okay, so it's not doing the thing that it usually does where you pump, 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 and then step down and it goes down about an inch or so. It's not doing that.
That's okay. I'm getting good fluid out of it. Let me go the other way. Oh, I'm gonna have it.
Can I let up, obviously? Because I just did. As we were talking about in my previous video, I kicked my Croc off. Nobody better make fun of my Crocs because they're the most comfortable shoes ever. And I work in them constantly. But in my last video, it's so funny. This car, you have to remove this little access panel in your floor to get to the master cylinder to add fluid. Yeah, now it's moving. We're getting there. It's getting firmer. I'm starting to get a pedal now. Definitely. Yeah, I'm starting to get a pedal now. See, I didn't have a pedal before. Yep, there we go.
Okay, pump it. We'll do one more.
It's very firm now. Yeah. Yeah. Hold it or let up. So he just did a test. The backs are working amazing. We need to adjust. So the backs are all adjusted. Need to adjust the fronts. Now, you're just not gonna take the tires off again. You're just gonna jack it up to do that, right? Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, of course. And then she gets a bath. Get all this dust off and make her look shiny again. So now he is adjusting the brakes with the adjusters. A lot of fun because you can only move it like one tooth at a time on those rotary adjusters. You guys can refer back to my other videos. You can adjust them through the backing plate on the back of the wheel. All right, so I've got keys. We're gonna try running it for the first time under its own power now that it's hooked up with a new fresh gas line. We dropped the tank eons ago. Ben did that and it hasn't been hooked up since. And then my dad the other day just hooked up the brand new gas line. So that's all nice and hooked up now. So we're gonna try to fire it up under her own power, not running off a gas can. And then once we make sure that all the brakes, we just did all the adjusting, he did all the adjusting, before we put the carpet back down and things like that, make sure we don't have to add any more fluid. He's putting antifreeze right now in the new fresh radiator. So she's just getting a makeover all the way around. All right, so he's primed it a little bit, but again, this is the first time it's ran off its own tank, so I may have to crank it a little bit. Or not, she does pretty good. Should I be pumping from inside, or are you doing that out there?
Alright, so I think we're starting to get gas.
Yep, already. That fuel pump we did is working good.
Yeah.
Almost. There we go. Good deal. There her feet off the pedals, she is idling under her own power. What'd you say? Yep, sure does. All right, so she's running with her fresh new radiator. Fuel pump rebuilt, working good. As you can see, full of nice fresh gas off of a cleaned out gas tank. Carb all rebuilt and done. It runs so quiet. It's so funny how quiet it runs. Isn't it quiet? Like a little watch. Oh, it's even more quiet now. What do you know? All right, so we're gonna drive it in here in a minute to test out the new brakes. Putting the skirts back on her. We were talking earlier about how quiet she is. Yes, people, she is running. You can hardly hear her. All right, we're gonna get in and move it for the first time with our new brakes all done. Stops good. All right, guys, so we just got back. I'll post some of the driving videos in the video with this one, but she drives nice. Pleasantly surprised, and I bet it would really go very fast down the road because it's got some punch to it for sure. My mom even did kind of a little burn mark in the driveway over there. She hit the gas a little too hard and spun the tires. So anyway, very pleasantly surprised with how the brakes do and all that good stuff. So now just for a bath and to clean it up the rest of the way and then off to its new home. Thanks for joining the video today, guys. Take care.